Namaste Javins. Today we will be talking about the physiology of blood group. Myself, Javin Dr. Barkha Khurana. So let us start with the session. Here we will be talking about blood group typing, Landsteiner's law or Landsteiner's rule, RH factor and its importance. See, the blood type is based on the presence of two major antigens in RBC membranes, A and B. We will be talking about two antigens over here. Now the antigen is the protein that is present on the surface of RBC membrane. The next one we will be talking about is antibody. These are the proteins made by lymphocytes and plasma, which are made in response to the presence of antigens. Now these antibodies attack the foreign antigens that result in clumping. That is also known as agglutination. Now we'll talk about Landsteiner's rule. It says individuals will form immune antibodies to ABO blood group antigens they do not possess. Secondly, substances are present in nature which are so similar to blood group antigens which result in the constant production of antibodies to blood group antigens they do not possess. Now, the genes are inherited from one parent, from each parent, and individual who is A or B may be homozygous or heterozygous for the antigen. Individual with AO or BO is heterozygous. Homozygous is AA or BB. Now the phenotype is the actual expression of the genotype, that is group A, whereas genotype are the actual inherited genes, that is AO. Now you can see the this distribution over here on the screen. Like if mother's phenotype is group A, genotype is AO. If the daddy's phenotype is group B, genotype is BO. Here is the distribution. Here is a summary for blood groups A, B, AB and O. Antigens on the cell are A, antibodies in plasma anti-B, and the person can get or receive the blood from A or B. For B, antigen is B, anti-A is antibody. Similarly for AB, antigen is present are A and B, antibodies are none. For O blood group, antigens are not present and antibodies are anti-A and anti-B. Now we'll discuss about Rh-D antigen that is present and it is a kind of blood group system. The antigen present is D. So it refers to the presence or absence of the D antigen on the red blood cell. Here you can see the diagrams. Now how is it correlated to the pregnancy? Rh positive mother with Rh negative baby, no problem would be there. Rh negative mother with Rh positive baby, the problem will be there. We will discuss the problem in the next upcoming slides. Rh negative mother and Rh negative father, no problem would be there. Rh negative mother and Rh negative baby, in this case also there won't be any problem. Now we'll talk about erythroblastosis fetalis, which is also known as hemolytic anemia. It is a serious medical complication that results from amaternal fetal blood type incompatibility. This results in RBC destruction, and this destruction is known as erythroblastosis fetalis. There is severe jaundice to the patient and that may lead to death of the fetus also. Now the treatment is blood transfusion, IV fluids and use of intravenous immunoglobulins. So this is all in your blood group typing. I hope you understood this session, and if you have any doubts, you can post a comment. And this session is powered by Digital 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Thank you.